Imagine waking up in the year 2030, only to discover that the world of work has changed forever. Artificial intelligence is no longer a technology of the future. It's already writing code, assisting doctors, designing products, and transforming businesses across the globe. Some experts believe millions of jobs will evolve, while entirely new careers will emerge. But one question remains: will AI replace humans, or will it become our greatest partner? The answer may shape the future of every career, including yours. Artificial intelligence is already transforming industries around the world. In hospitals, AI helps doctors analyze medical images with incredible speed. In factories, intelligent robots work alongside engineers to improve productivity. Financial institutions use AI to detect fraud in seconds, while modern classrooms use personalized AI tutors to support students. Across nearly every industry, AI is becoming a powerful tool that enhances human capabilities rather than simply replacing them. Not every job will disappear, but many will change dramatically. Tasks that are repetitive, predictable, and rule-based are becoming easier for AI to handle. Customer support agents now work with AI assistants. Accountants use AI to organize financial data, and software developers rely on AI to speed up coding. Instead of replacing every professional, AI is transforming how people work, allowing them to focus on creativity, problem-solving, and decision-making that still require human judgment. As artificial intelligence becomes more powerful, human skills will become even more valuable. Creativity, leadership, emotional intelligence, critical thinking, and innovation are qualities that machines cannot easily replicate. The future belongs to people who continue learning, adapt to new technologies, and know how to work alongside AI. Instead of fearing change, this is the perfect time to build the skills that will define the next generation of careers. Every great technological revolution has transformed the way people live and work. Artificial intelligence is no different. It will automate some tasks, create entirely new opportunities, and challenge every generation to keep learning. The future won't belong to those who fear change. It will belong to those who adapt, create, and use technology with purpose. Every skill you learn today, every problem you solve, and every innovation you embrace will help shape tomorrow's world. Artificial intelligence is not writing the future alone. People are. And perhaps the next great breakthrough will come from someone watching this very video. If you're fascinated by artificial intelligence, future technology, and the innovations shaping tomorrow, subscribe to NovaScope and join us on this journey into the future.